Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the Dragonfruit Cacti and why I am so passionate about it. Because in my last video where I was in a greenhouse, I just was so fantasizing about this cacti and about its ability to grow so easy, but I haven't shown you something as a proof, so I'm going to show you now my very own Dragonfruit Cacti collection, which I grew from seeds. And here, as you can see, I have many different varieties. Some have a triangular shape, some have really thin arms, and they are all dangling down. But these different varieties, they are a little bit old, maybe up to 3 years right now. I started them from seeds, but as you can see, they grow pretty well here in Germany on a bench at the window, and where it's maybe difficult for them to get to the blooming station because the temperature is not very well suitable for them to bloom. But I try my best to get them to the right temperature and right humidity level. But it's easy to grow them, so it's a nice decoration. You have a cacti in your home and it's very nice to see them. Also, it's really easy to get them rooted. I cut one arm off here, for example, and just let it dry a little bit. And here, as you can see, there's also already a little root forming, and now I can place it in a pot and plant another cacti just from this one arm. And I have another one here, but this is another example. These are not roots for going into the earth or into the dirt. These are roots which the plant uses to climb on trees or climb on walls, to literally just wrap them around and climb up. This cacti is known for its ability to climb up trees, and that's why you always see those farms where they place some how do you call these, strings or metal strings, so that these cacti can grow up and then dangle down. Because on these farms, if they dangle down, then they will produce more fruits. But here in Germany, in this climate, I'm not pretty sure if I will ever get a fruit, but I will find out soon. Maybe in the next year, maybe this year, I don't know. But that's all for today. That's all what I wanted to talk about the Dragonfruit cacti, and that it is really easy to grow them from seeds. So have fun, enjoy your growing and be patient. It may take up to 1 year when you have a plant as big as this, or maybe smaller. It depends on where you live and where you place them on a window. Maybe it's the best for them to place them south, so that they will get enough sun, especially during the summer. But my plants are doing quite well on the eastern window side, or even if you do not have this, you can still place them everywhere because they are not required to get so much sun. It's just maybe for the temperature to get some sun and to let them grow quicker. But they will do fine even on the north side. So if you only have a north window or a window facing to the north side, it's okay. So that's all for now from me. I'm quite so as always, have fun, keep an eye out, and let those seeds grow. Bye bye.